worship Baba. There is no other worship other than work. Work is worship. First point. Second point, work is health of the body. Work is health of the mind. An idle mind is a devil's workshop. An idle mind, there is no work for the mind. It becomes a devil. It spoils the whole world. So when you are involved in work, that is worship, truly worship. Number two, it is health of the body. And then it is the health of the mind.
Yes, sir.
Through intense work, you will have a healthy body and a healthy mind. We want a healthy body and healthy mind. How do we get it? Through work. What kind of work? Any kind of work. Whether it's spiritual work or social work or scientific work, any type of work which involves helping other souls.
Yes, sir.
Work of a farmer, work of a businessman, work of a housewife, work of a school teacher, work of a prime minister, whatever it may be. Work is worship, first point. Second point is work is health of the body. It is health of the mind. Work is called a karma yoga. When you are dedicated to work, it is karma yoga. Work is karma. Dedication to work is called a karma yoga. Karma yogi Bhavarjuna. Hey Arjun, always involve yourself in action. Never be lazy. Any kind of action. So Soumyaji, he was involved in spiritual action always.
Yes, sir.
Spiritual action is the highest possible action of all the actions. So it will give you the highest possible health of the body and health of the mind. And it is the highest possible worship. I congratulate you, Soumyaji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Everybody should be a karma yogi. This is a message from Bhagavad Gita. You know, Bal Gangadhar Tilak wrote a commentary on Bhagavad Gita when he was in Andaman jail for 5 years. For 5 years he was in Andaman jail, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And he wrote a big book, commentary on Bhagavad Gita. I read the whole book. The whole book, Bhagavad Gita, he wrote from the viewpoint of Karma Yoga. You must do your action.
Yes, sir.
You must get up early in the morning. And late in the night, until late in the night, you must keep on working. Never waste your time, never be lazy. Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate Uttishta Narashardula Kartavyam Daiva Mahanikam. This statement is for Karma Yoga. Kausalya Supraja Rama. Rama, who is the son of a great master called as Kausalya. Purva Sandhya Pravartate. He rises up before the sun. Purva Sandhya. Before the sun arises, you arise from the bed. Why you arise from the bed? Kartavyam Daiva Madhikam, to do spiritual work. So Soumya is like that. And on today's birthday, this is the message from a great Karma Yogi like yourself. Spiritual work, all kinds of work. Supporting the organization, making the communication, talking to everybody. Hey, come down to meditation. There's something is going on here. Give me your ID, give me your email. And reminding them, you are sure to come, wake up early in the morning. So this is spiritual work. Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate. Purva Sandhya, before the sunrise. Uttishta Narashardula. Narashardula means lion among men. Narashardula, lion among men. Kartavyam Devamahnikam, to do your spiritual work. This great shloka is directly for Karma Yogi, of every Karma Yogi who does spiritual karma. Not any other karma, spiritual karma, material karma and spiritual karma. There are two types of karmas. There are two types of work, material work and spiritual work. You are doing great spiritual work, Soumya ji.
Thank you, sir.
I wanted to say all these things today. Thank you very much. First thing in the morning I saw you.
Thank you, sir.
Must teach vegetarian to everybody. Non-violence, non-killing, non-interference to everybody. You must teach about pyramid energies, crystal energies. You must talk about spiritual science. So many books are there, out there to be studied. Nobody knows. So we should give information to everybody. This is information revolution is happening. We should
Yes, sir.
participate ourselves in that information revolution, giving information to everybody. I have been doing that 40 years. I've been giving information to everybody. I've been collecting information from one side and distributing information on the other side. I collect always information from everybody. Then I distribute that information to everybody. I am a collection point of information and a distribution point of our information. I am a karma yogi, Soumya. Ha 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 ha.